Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be another video that's all over the freaking board. I still have so much to do from all the things that backed up over the summer. Like basically every single piece of lawn care equipment I have doesn't work. So we have to do a lot of maintenance on that stuff. I got to mow the lawn. There's just all kinds of stuff going on. So join me for this very exciting video where you get to watch me do normal everyday stuff. That's life with Dave. Let's get to work.
Flat tire with a nail in it.
Won't start.
First things first, we gotta get a tire plug kit. I've never used one of these before, so this will be an adventure. It'll either work great, or it'll work for a second and my tire will blow out, putting me and my family in danger, or something in between. Let's hope for the best. The only other time I tried plugs, it did not end well. You know, the real kick in the is this is the same car I bought about 5 weeks ago, and it's the same car I just replaced the $240 battery in. Seems like I am always here. Hear that hissing noise? Plug didn't work. Turns out there's like 4 or 5 like finish nails in there, just kind of clustered all together. So too many holes to patch. Get a new tire. Meet Bob. Just out mowing the lawn. Broke the mower. It's probably supposed to be level. Broke that deck right off.
Not what you want to see on your lawn. One of the things I've been neglecting this summer is this little beauty right here. We use this guy for some of the finishing mowing on our homestead, and it just hasn't started in about a month, so we're gonna tear it apart and see what's going on. Turns out that was a relatively easy thing to fix. So what happened was that little soft air filter got sucked down into the float bowl of the carburetor, and of course you're gonna have problems. You know, I noticed the primer plunger at first wasn't sucking any gas in, but there's plenty of gas getting into the carburetor, so I washed that air filter out inside in my kitchen. Don't tell my wife. Luckily she doesn't watch the channel. No one does, really. You know, I should have thought about it, but if a soft spongy material sits in the bottom of a float bowl, yeah, it's gonna be clogged up full of gasoline. So now my entire kitchen smells like gasoline. Yeah. I threw it back in there, gave it a pull, sucked back down immediately. So I had some kind of almost air filter material, air filter adjacent, I would say. Threw a piece of that in and it runs fine now. So we got this thing running, on to the next thing. As you can see, that rubber grommet on top of the fuel cell is all kinds of cracked and tri-rotted and split. There's fuel leaking out and air leaking in, and it's not a good scene. Really, I'm gonna have to order that little piece, but truth be told, I've had this weed whacker for about a decade and I've used it a lot. I think it's just time to upgrade the whole unit. Well, I spent about 4.5 seconds on Amazon and found a replacement grommet for $7 for 3 of them. I don't know why I'll need 3 of them. Guess I got 30 more years left in this thing. It's finally time to start working on the bike again. Now, off camera, I went through each carburetor and checked the rubber boots
to make sure there was a proper seal between the carburetor and the cylinder head and the carburetor and the air box. And what I found was carburetor 3, the rubber boot, which is very difficult to see, that's why I'm wearing my glasses, the rubber boot was kind of folded in underneath the clamp, so it wasn't sealing properly. So I fixed that. I'm gonna slap the gas tank on and see if that helps this idling situation at all. We finally got it running. What an exciting morning. In the next video, we will definitely be syncing the carburetors. I finally bought the carb sync kit and it should be here any minute now. And we'll get that all hooked up and get these things all dialed in and take this thing for its first test ride. If any of you know where this line here goes, please drop it in the comments below because I can't find a diagram anywhere that shows it. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment below. Let me know what the heck that thing goes to. And as always, peace and love.